Hi, this is Order of Operations Review, and this is the answer key for the exercises. So question 1 can be rewritten in numerator-denominator form. 2 cubed times 3 to the power of 4 over 9 times 7. 7 goes in the numerator and 2 goes in the denominator. 3 squared is 9, so we can cancel out 2 and cancel out the 9. We can cancel out 1, 2 from the bottom, so this becomes 2. And we're simply left with 2 squared, 3 squared times 7. So we have 4 times 9 times 7. This is 4 times 63, and this is 252. You can do some mental math here. 4 times 3 is 12. So we write down the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, but add the 1 from the 12, we have 25. Next, we have this. So we should evaluate brackets first. So this is 5 squared plus 7 squared divided by 7. And we have minus 15 divided by 5. Let's simplify this. This is 25. 7 squared divided by 7 is just 7. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 plus 7 is 32. Minus 3 is 29. And just so you can see the canceling. Okay, let's rewrite this one. 4 to the power of 0 is 1, divided by 3, plus 7 over 9, minus 3. Our lowest common denominator here, 3 goes into 9, so we have 9. So this one needs to be multiplied by 3 over 3. So we have 3 over 9, plus 7 over 9, and 3 times 9 is 27. So we have 10 over 9 minus 27 over 9, and this is minus 17 over 9. Okay, for this problem, we have brackets here, so we have to do BEDMAS inside the brackets now. We have an exponent, so we need to do that. 36 over 4 plus 11, and we have brackets, and it's cubed minus 4 to the power of 5. We can evaluate that now because it's its own term. This is 1024. This evaluates to 9, 36 divided by 9, and we can add the 11 as well. So this is 20. 20 cubed minus 1024. 20 cubed is just 8,000 minus 1024. And our answer is 6,976. Okay, this is its own term, so we can write it by itself. 4 squared is 16, so we have 5 times 16. Now we have brackets, so we need to evaluate BEDMAS inside the brackets. We have exponents. 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. And we have divided by 5, so let's write it like this. 5 times 16 is 80. And 8 plus 27 is 35. So this is 80 minus 7, and our answer is 73. Okay, we have more brackets. Let's review what we did. Minus 4 in the brackets means negative 4. Minus a negative becomes positive. So we have 9 cubed minus 21 divided by 7 is 3. And that's to the power of 4. 9 cubed is 729, and 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So our answer is 648. Here we have minus. This is not part of the base. This is strictly 2 to the power of 4, so we have minus 16 times 5 plus 16. This time the negative sign is in here. This is cubed, so there's 3 negative signs. So we're dividing by minus 8. Again, 16 times 5 is 80, so this is minus 80. And we bring the minus sign out front. 16 divided by 8 is 2, so we have 2. And our answer is minus 82. Number 8. Okay, let's start evaluating a few things. We have 16, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Now we need to evaluate the brackets. 4 cubed is 64, and we're dividing that by 4. Now we're subtracting. 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 will be 1. Copy the 3. Here we have brackets again, and we evaluate best inside the brackets. So we do exponents first. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, plus 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Let's simplify. 64 divided by 4 is 16. 16 squared minus 1 over 3 times 85. 16 squared is 256 minus 1 is 255. And 3 times 85 is 255 as well. So our answer is 1. Okay, negative 2 to the power of 4. That's 4 negative signs, so our answer is positive. So we have 16. And this is all one term. So we have minus negative 3 cubed. So that's 3 negative signs, so that's negative. This is negative 27. And we're dividing by negative 9 to the power of 0. That's 1. And we're multiplying, so we need something in the numerator. 2 cubed is 8. Now we have 16 plus. 2 negatives make a plus. 8 times 27 is 216. So our answer is 232. Now the last one's a little bit tricky. And there's different ways to do this. You can choose whatever you want. But I'm going to do brackets, big brackets. We're going to count all the minus signs. There's 3 and there's another 4, so there's 7 minus signs. However, we're squaring this, so it's going to become positive, so we can just get rid of the minus signs. So we have 12, 12, 12, and this is all squared. And in the bottom we have 6, 6, 6, and 6. And let's do some canceling right now. Cancel, cancel. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we have another 2 and another 2. Times 8. Plus 5 cubed is 125. And we'll put 6 in the denominator. Minus 3 over 8. Now, this is 8 over 6. We can simplify this to 4 over 3. And this is squared, times 8. And let's just keep this. Okay, now we have 16 over 9 times 8. plus 125 over 6 minus 3 over 8. And let's multiply these two. That's 128 over 9 plus 125 over 6 minus 3 over 8. You need a common denominator. So there's a 2 in 8, so we don't have to worry about the 6. And there's a 3 in 9 in 6, so we don't have to worry about the other part of the 6. So our lowest common denominator is multiplying these two, so that's 72. We need to multiply this by 8. 8 times 128 is 1024. We need to multiply this by 12 over 12. So that's 1500 over 72. And we're subtracting. This needs to be multiplied by 9 over 9, so that's 27. Add these two, subtract that, and we get 2,497 over 72. And that completes the answer key.